Chapter 6, Supply Chain Management Strategy. I have learned that the effective supply chain management strategy is essential for achieving competitive and advantage and organizational success. Reflecting on supply chain management strategies involves evaluating their impact on organizational goals, operation efficiency, and customer satisfaction, and also reflecting on supply chain management strategies helps identify strengths and areas for improvement and enabling organizations to adapt to market trends and challenges. Robust supply chain management strategy should be dynamics, customer focused, and resilient, ensuring sustainable and cost effective operations.